Today I am reviewing the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill, model TOA-70NAS, is an incredibly versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed for anyone who wants crispy, delicious meals quickly without the hassle of multiple appliances. With an 1800-watt power rating, this 8-in-1 air fryer oven combines air frying, baking, convection baking, broiling, grilling, toasting, and warming functions all in one convenient stainless steel unit. One of the most impressive features of the TOA-70NAS is its versatility. You can air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, toast 6 slices of bread, bake a 12-inch pizza, or even roast a 4-pound chicken. This spacious capacity makes it perfect for families, small gatherings, or anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of dishes without needing multiple appliances on the counter. Thanks to AirAdvantage technology, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven circulates hot air efficiently to deliver fast, evenly cooked, and crispy results. Whether you're air frying, broiling, or grilling, the optimized airflow locks in flavor and ensures that your food has that perfect golden brown texture every time. This makes it ideal for cooking everything from crispy fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and baked casseroles. The oven is also highly user-friendly. It features an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto-shutoff, and a toast shade selector, allowing you to customize your cooking to perfection. With a wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can prepare delicate baked goods, hearty meals, or anything in between with confidence. In terms of accessories and convenience, the TOA-70NAS includes an oven rack, baking pan/drip tray, air fry basket, and a ceramic non-stick reversible grill/griddle. The stainless steel easy clean interior ensures that cleanup is simple, so you spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your food. Whether you're a busy professional, a small family, or a cooking enthusiast looking for a multi-purpose kitchen appliance, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers speed, performance, and versatility all in one sleek, stainless steel package. From crispy air-fried dishes to perfectly baked meals, this air fryer toaster oven makes it easier than ever to prepare a wide range of recipes with consistent, high-quality results. In summary, the Cuisinart TOA-70NAS air fryer toaster oven is more than just a toaster oven or air fryer. It's a complete cooking solution for modern kitchens, offering fast, crispy, and flavorful meals while saving space, time, and effort. With its large capacity, multiple cooking functions, and thoughtful accessories, it's an essential appliance for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game.